Hello, and welcome to the Words of Healing. Today I invite you to say this power boost of positive self-affirmations. By speaking these affirmations out loud, you can shift your mindset and cultivate a more confident, empowered outlook on life. If you enjoy this exercise, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. This way, you're letting YouTube know that you enjoy this type of content so it can show you more of our videos in your feeds. Now, let's begin. On this day, I'd like to thank the universe for all the blessings I have received. I am thankful for my mind. I appreciate the way it allows me to be curious, ask questions, and try new things. I know I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I believe in my abilities and trust that I can overcome any obstacle. I am worthy of love and respect. I honor myself and others by treating myself with kindness and compassion. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I choose to focus on the positive and appreciate the abundance that surrounds me. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I am guided by my intuition and have faith in my own judgment. Thank you, God, for being strong and resilient. I know I have faced challenges before and have come out on the other side stronger and more capable. I am thankful I am constantly growing and learning. It is a blessing to embrace new experiences and opportunities to expand my knowledge and understanding. I am a powerful force for good in the world. I make a positive impact on those around me and contribute to a better future for all through my words and actions. Thank you, God, and the universe, for having the understanding of my purpose in this life. Thank you for blessing me with a beautiful soul and an open heart. May my life be filled with love and happiness forever and ever. And so be it.